10 things that turn women on. Attraction is a fascinating game of psychology, chemistry, and behavior. While looks may play a role, what truly captivates women goes far beyond physical appearance. If you want to know what makes women feel an irresistible pull toward a man, this article will uncover the secrets. These 10 things can ignite deep attraction, making you stand out in her mind. 1. Confidence, the ultimate attraction trigger. Confidence is one of the most powerful turn-ons for women. A man who believes in himself naturally commands attention. This does not mean arrogance or bragging, but rather a quiet self-assurance that shows you are comfortable in your own skin. Women are drawn to men who can hold their own, speak with certainty, and take charge in a way that feels natural. Confidence is not just about words. It is reflected in body language. Standing tall, making eye contact, and maintaining an open posture all signal strength and reliability. When a man carries himself with confidence, he instantly becomes more attractive. 2. Good hygiene, a non-negotiable factor. Smell and cleanliness play a significant role in attraction. A man who takes care of his hygiene, keeps his breath fresh, and smells good is far more appealing than someone who neglects these basics. Women notice small details: clean hands, neatly trimmed nails, and fresh breath. Wearing a good cologne can enhance attraction, as scent triggers deep emotional responses. A pleasant fragrance associated with a man can leave a lasting impression, making him more memorable. 3. Sense of humor. Laughter sparks chemistry. A good sense of humor is an undeniable attraction booster. Women love men who can make them laugh. Humor creates an emotional bond, eases tension, and makes interactions more enjoyable. A man who can joke naturally, without trying too hard, appears relaxed and fun to be around. Laughter releases endorphins, making people feel good in each other's presence. If a woman associates happiness and fun with you, she will want to be around you more. However, the key is balance. Knowing when to be playful and when to be serious is what makes humor truly effective. 4. Deep eye contact, a window into attraction. Eye contact is an incredibly powerful tool in attraction. When a man holds steady eye contact, it conveys confidence, interest, and emotional depth. It makes a woman feel seen and understood. A brief yet intense gaze can create tension and excitement, increasing attraction. On the other hand, weak or nervous eye contact signals insecurity. The trick is to maintain eye contact naturally, without making it feel forced or intimidating. 5. A strong yet gentle touch. Touch plays a crucial role in attraction. A well-timed, casual touch on the shoulder, hand, or back can create an electrifying moment. Women appreciate men who know how to use touch appropriately, subtle yet meaningful. Physical connection builds intimacy and trust. However, respect is key. Being too forceful or overly familiar too soon can backfire. A gentle but firm touch communicates confidence and care, making a woman feel secure in your presence. 6. Being a good listener. The art of connection. One of the biggest turn-ons for women is a man who truly listens. Many men hear, but few actually listen with intention. When a woman speaks, she wants to feel that her words matter. Nodding, maintaining eye contact, and responding thoughtfully all show that you are engaged in the conversation. Asking follow-up questions and remembering small details can make a huge impact. It shows that you care about what she says and who she is. Women find deep conversations stimulating, and when they feel emotionally connected, attraction naturally follows. 7. Ambition and passion. The fire that draws women in. A man with a sense of purpose and ambition is highly attractive. Women are drawn to men who have goals, dreams, and the drive to pursue them. Passionate men radiate energy that is both inspiring and magnetic. This does not mean you need to be rich or at the top of your field, but having a clear direction in life matters. Passion for something, whether it is a career, a hobby, or a cause, signals that you are driven and have depth beyond the surface. 8. Mysterious and unpredictable nature. The thrill of the unknown. Predictability can be comforting, but mystery keeps attraction alive. Women love men who have a hint of unpredictability, making interactions exciting. This does not mean playing mind games, but rather maintaining an element of surprise. A mysterious man does not reveal everything about himself too quickly. He shares just enough to keep a woman intrigued, making her want to learn more. Small surprises, unexpected plans, or an intriguing way of thinking can make a man stand out. 9. Kindness and emotional intelligence. The soft power of attraction. While confidence and ambition are attractive, kindness and emotional intelligence complete the picture. A man who can understand emotions, communicate effectively, and show empathy is a rare find. Kindness is not about being overly nice or a pushover, but about showing respect and care in a strong, self-assured way. A man who treats others well, whether it is a waiter, a stranger, or a friend, signals that he is a good person at his core. Emotional intelligence also means knowing when to give space, when to support, and when to simply listen. Women appreciate men who can navigate emotions without being overwhelmed by them. 10. Dressing well and grooming. First impressions matter. Style and grooming play a key role in attraction. A well-dressed man who takes pride in his appearance exudes confidence. Clothing does not have to be expensive, but it should be well-fitted and suited to the occasion. Grooming also matters. A clean haircut, trimmed beard, and polished shoes show attention to detail. Looking put together signals self-respect and an understanding of what looks good. Women notice these small things and appreciate a man who presents himself well. Conclusion: attraction is more than looks. Women are attracted to a combination of qualities that go beyond appearance. Confidence, humor, ambition, and emotional intelligence all play crucial roles in creating deep, lasting attraction. By understanding what truly turns women on, you can build stronger connections and become naturally magnetic. If you focus on developing these traits, you will not only attract women but also improve yourself as a person. Attraction is about energy, mindset, and the way you carry yourself. Master these 10 things, and you will notice a dramatic shift in how women respond to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.